dangers and desires that your children come in contact with every day.
With a subculture of heavy metal music that some feel is sending a dangerous message to your kids. It's been associated with satanic worship, suicide, and animal sacrifice. But is death metal music just hype or something that could actually hurt your kids?
Just push the button and she starts to giggle.
Autopsy reports show he died from blows to the head. State and local investigators have no suspects.
Please, if you see me anywhere, please come up to me. I want to be your friend. I need friends now.
If letters ain't cool, I tell you who I'm bound to lose. If letters ain't cool, I tell you who I'm bound to lose. If letters ain't cool, I tell you who I'm bound to lose. If letters ain't cool, I tell you who I'm bound to lose.
You're a dangerous guy, right?
I could be considered dangerous, yes.
You actually told Dr. Yotanis about a month ago that people in the jail have no idea how dangerous you are.
No, they don't.
martial arts game, as some parents think it's just too violent for their kids. Carol Lynn joins us live now from Northridge with more on that story. Carol?
Here it is, Bob, behind me. It's called Mortal Kombat. We're going to talk to Aaron Brandis here about the game. Aaron, how does it work?
Well, basically, you pick a couple characters, you do maneuvers on the joysticks and buttons, you do moves, and
then what are you trying to get to? Fatalities?
Nah, there's a master guy you got to beat at the end. Fatalities are just what happens if you're really brutal to your opponent.
With a subculture of heavy metal music that some feel is sending a dangerous message to your kids. It's been associated with satanic worship, suicide, and animal sacrifice. But is death metal music just hype or something that could actually hurt your kids?
Closer to home, we're getting a look at the weapons that two Bartow middle schoolers allegedly plan to use to kill their classmates and then eat their flesh.
mother says he was a normal, happy boy until he became obsessed with black metal music.
They become almost absorbed in it. It is a driving force. They have to have it. I hate it so much that I've seen what it's done to our family on a personal level. And I want to see it banned. I want to see it off the face of the earth.
Officers found them in the bathroom with a goblet on hand to reportedly drink their victim's blood.
him for what he's done, but I still love him. He's my son. I've lost my son. I've lost my life.